Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the sources of water and also sources of water in our locality. So, and also we discuss about the total amount of water available on the earth and also how is water wasted in our surroundings every day for different activities. So all these things today we discussed here. So before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. In last class we discussed about the hailstones. So then what are hailstones? When the raindrops become too cool, they fall on the earth in the form of small pieces of ice. So these are called hailstone. So I will once again repeat it. So when the raindrops become too cool, okay. So these raindrops become too cool, so they fall on the earth. They fall on the earth surface in the form of small pieces of ice. These are called hailstones. Okay. So next we are going to discuss how we use available water on the earth for our daily activities. Available water on the earth surface we use for different activities like, so first one, drinking purpose, second one, washing hands, so gardening, washing vessels, mopping the floor, so next toilet cleaning, washing vehicles, cooking and washing animals. So we use water for different activities like drinking, washing hands, gardening, washing vessels, mopping the floor, toilet cleaning, washing vehicles, cooking and washing animals. So that water is very precious, use it carefully. Okay. And also we discuss and also we discussed uses of water. So water is used for agriculture purpose, water is used in industries, and water is also used for water transportation, and water is used for construction of buildings, and water is used for generation of hydroelectricity. So these are the main uses of water. Okay, I will once again repeat it. Water is used for agriculture purpose, water is used in industries, and water is used for water transportation, water is used for construction of buildings, and water is used for generation of hydroelectricity. Okay. Here drop of water said that child. So you already know the sources of water. So which we use for all these needs. Okay. So make a list of these sources of water. So here you make a list of sources of water. So sources of water are well, river, hand pump, pond, stream, rivulet, sea, etc. So I will once again repeat it. The sources of water are well, river, hand pump, pond, stream, rivulet, sea, etc. So all these are the sources of water. Okay. I will once again repeat it. Sources of water are river, pond, stream, rain, sea, rivulet, well, hand pump and ocean. All these are the sources of water. Okay. Again, the drop of water asked question to children. All right, name the sources of water for your locality. So that means, so name the sources of water that are present in your surroundings. Okay. So that then, so you should write here the sources of water. So that are present in your surroundings. Okay. So sources of water present in our locality are well, river, pond, hand pump and stream. I will once again repeat it. So sources of water present in our locality are well, river, pond, hand pump and stream. All these are the sources of water. Okay. So next, the drop of water again said that. So look at this picture and know the amount of water available on the earth. Okay. So this is a picture of the earth covered. So earth covered with water. Okay. So this much of brown color. So this much of water covered with a salt content, and this much of water is fresh water that is used for drinking purpose. Okay. Okay. So this much of percentage of this much of percentage is covered with salt water, and this much percentage of water is covered with fresh water. Okay. Next, the sources of water in our locality are well, pond, river and pump. Sources of water in our locality are well, pond, river and pump. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the total amount of water available on the earth. Okay. So here salt water or sea water present in 97.2%. 97.2% of salt water present in our earth atmosphere, in our earth. Okay. So but salt water or sea water, it cannot be used. Okay. So whereas remaining percent of what remaining percent is covered with sweet water. So okay, in that ice is covered with 2%. So this is ice is in a solid form of water. It cannot be used for daily activities. Okay. And remaining less than 1% water is suitable for use like drinking and cooking. Okay. I will once again repeat it. Total amount of water available on the earth are salt water or sea water is 97.2%. It cannot be used. Okay. So next, sweet water. Sweet water in that 2% of water is solid form of water, that we call it as ice. So okay, solid form of water cannot be used for daily activities. So less than 1% of water is suitable for use. Okay, suitable for use means for drinking purpose and also cooking purpose and other daily activities. Okay. Again, the drop of water asked question to children. So are you using water more than your requirement? So for which, so then if yes means, so then for which activities do you use water unnecessarily? Right here. Okay. So we use water for unnecessarily, so taking bath and long showers. Okay. So next, leaky pipes. Water is wasted in leaky pipes. Next, washing dishes with running water, and also running the water while brushing your teeth. So all these are the unnecessary methods. So by using these methods, so we have to waste our precious water. Okay. So I will once again repeat how is water wasted in our surroundings every day. So taking bath and long showers, washing dishes with running water, okay, running the water while brushing your teeth. So leaky pipes. So by all these methods, water is wasted. Okay. Next, the drop of water, again said that observe the pictures given below. What is happening here? Write it in the space given below. Okay. Here first one, not turning up of tap while washing clothes. Okay. So second one, brushing teeth with wasting water. Next, so not turning up a tap, so when talking with others. Okay. So next, wasting water with when playing with water. Okay. So here, so not here drinking the water while water is running. Next, here last one. So last one, wasting water in unscientific irrigation methods. Okay. So from all these methods, water is wasted. Okay. In next class we discuss more things. Okay.